Students, you know the importance of grammar is very prominent here. We have to discuss about the importance of grammar, especially in competitive examination and for Indian students. Not for Indian students, all over the globe, those who are fond of English literature. As you know, the literature itself is a kind of body, and grammar is the most crucial component of English literature. Without grammar, one cannot imagine about the piece of literature. So, this grammar is very important for literature point of view, especially English literature. We know the importance of grammar, whether it is the examination of banking or SSC or daily base, wherever you go for competitive point of view, so many questions are framed on the basis of what? English grammar. In previous two lectures, I explained the importance of article. Article, I told you the proper use of a and the. This one is lecture number 3rd. Today, especially, we will discuss about single word, that is the, article the. Where do we apply article the? We have to discuss about different situations are there where we try to place article the for a good structure of English. So keeping in mind what the proper application of the is there, we have to discuss one by one. So many points are there. We will discuss one by one in successive order. So try to follow what are the major application of article the, which is already given here on board. You may observe so many points are noted down. We will discuss on those points. How many points are there? It is 12 points are there. So today we will discuss only 12 points. Rest of the points we will discuss in next lecture. And especially today we have to discuss about the proper use of article the. So let us see what are the applications and how can we use these articles the in a proper way. So let us start. We have to start our studies. Now you may observe here, firstly we observe use of the improper noun. Before that we have studied about use of a and an, but here today we have to discuss about the use of article the. The is used before the ranges of mountains. I am talking about ranges. Try to follow what is the meaning of ranges of mountain. Ranges of mountains means Parvat Shrinkhala. If ranges of mountains are given, so before that we apply the. Suppose only one mountain is here, so we cannot apply the. If ranges of mountain is there, so we can apply the. In this way, see, with different examples, we can take different examples to illustrate the application of the as a ranges of mountain. For example, Himalayas, we know it is the combination of mountains. It is mountain range. Mountain ranges are there. So, before the Himalayas, we apply the Alps. Before Alps, it is also the range of mountain. So, before that, which article is used here? The. Vindhyas. Vindhyas is also the ranges of mountain. So, before Vindhyas, which article is used here? The. Now you may observe Everest. Everest is the highest peak, highest mountain peak. It is the highest peak of mountain, and single piece of mountain is here. So just before Everest, we cannot apply any article. You may observe before that, if it is ranges of mountain, only then we can apply the. If it is single mountain or peak of the mountain, it indicates only one. So before that, we cannot apply article the, because this one is proper noun indicating single object. That's why we cannot apply the before Everest. Similarly, Mount Abu. It is the name of a mountain. So before that name we cannot apply. Meaning is that if ranges of mountain is there, so we can apply the. If single mountain is here, so before that we never apply the article. Go to second point. If groups of islands are there, groups of islands, keep in mind, we are talking about groups of islands, not of single island. We are talking about groups of island. If such situation is there, so before that we apply article the. Follow here. If groups of islands are there, before that we apply the. For example, we may see East Indies. This is the group of islands. So East Indies, before East Indies, which article is applied here? The. Why? Because this is the group of islands. Against Andamans. Andamans is also the group of islands. So just before Andamans, which article is used here? The. In this way, West Indies. West Indies is also group of islands. So before the West Indies, we apply here the. Other islands are also there, but they are not in group. If they are not in group, so we cannot apply article the. For example, Ceylon. Ceylon is an island, but before Ceylon we never apply which one? Article the. If you apply article the, it is wrong. Why? Because this one is single island. It is not in the category of group of islands. That's why before Ceylon we cannot apply article the. Sicily. Sicily is also the name of an island, single island. So before that we cannot apply article the. We can apply, meaning is there, we can apply the article when it is groups of islands. In the same continuation, Java is also the name of an island. It is single island, not a group of island. So before Java we cannot apply article the. In this way, two things are there. If islands are in group, so we can apply article the. If island is single, so before that island we never apply article the. I think you may understand and differentiate groups of islands and the name of single island. Now go to next use of this one. Names of rivers. Sacred rivers are there, and before the names of river we try to apply which article? Article the. See, the Ganges. Ganges is the name of river, holy river. So before Ganges we apply article the. Indus. Indus, before Indus we apply the. Danube. It is the name of a river. Before that we apply article the. What meaning is that? Giving these examples, we are proving that if the name of rivers are given, sacred rivers are given, so before the name of rivers we apply article the. Go to the next one. names of gulfs, seas and oceans. Gulfs, you know, desert lands are there, seas are there and oceans are there, and they have particular name. So before the names of gulfs, seas and oceans, we apply which one? Article the. For example, you may see here Gulf of Mexico. It is the name of a gulf. Gulf of Mexico. So before Gulf of Mexico, which article is used here? The Bay of Bengal. You may observe here, it is the name of ocean, Bay of Bengal. So before Bay of Bengal, which article is used here? The. Why the is used? Because it is the name of ocean. Again, the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the name of ocean. So before that, which article is used? The is used. Meaning is that if the names of gulfs, seas and oceans are given, so just before the names of these gulfs, seas and ocean, we apply which article? The. Now see the property number 5. If names of great books are there, what are great books? These are sacred books, these are religious books, these are very prominent books, the important books. If such situation is there, great books are here, so before that we apply article. We know different religions are there and they are having their religious books. For example, Hindus are there, Muslims are there, Christians are there and Sikh. So many community and religions are there all over the globe, and they have their particular religion and their particular great books. For example, Ramayana is the great book of Hindus. So before that book we apply article the. Bible is very prominent book of Christians, and before the name of Bible, which article is used? The. In the same way, Quran is the great book of Muslims. So before Quran, we try to apply article the. In the same way, Christian, Sikh, Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib is the religious book of or great book of Sikh. So before that book, which article will be used? We will apply here the Guru Granth Sahib. In this way, we have studied what the proper application of these articles are there. I hope you have understood all those points. 5 points we have discussed. Once again, observe from here, if ranges of mountains are there, so before that we apply article the. If group of islands are there, so we can apply what? Article the. If single mountain is there, so we cannot apply. If single island names is there, so we cannot apply article the. If names of sacred rivers are there, before that we can apply article the. In the same way, it is the name of gulfs, seas and oceans. So before the names we apply article the. If it is the names of religious books or holy books or great books, so before that we apply article the. In this way, we have learnt here 5 proper application of article the. More rules are there and we will see by giving examples just after. Students, newspaper play a very important role in our life. So many newspapers are there and they are given particular names. If the names of newspapers are given here, so before the name we try to apply article the. This is stated by rule number 6. You may observe here, the is used before the names of newspaper. If names of newspapers are there, so many newspapers are there. For example, in Gorakhpur, if you talk about, it is Dainik Jagran, Amar Ujala, Aaj, Swatantra Chetna, all these are the names of newspaper, and before the newspapers we try to apply article the is used here. So many national and international newspapers are there. For example, Statesman. Statesman is a name of newspaper. So since it is very renowned newspaper, name of newspaper, so before that which article is used here? Article the. In the same way, Indian Nation, this is also the name of a newspaper. So before Indian Nation we apply here article the. In this way we know that if names of newspapers are given, these are some examples. If names of newspapers are given, so before the names of newspapers we try to apply which article? Article the. Now see, sometimes we observe heavenly bodies. What are heavenly bodies? The bodies which are found in heaven. Our universe. You know the solar system, you know the universe. So before these heavenly bodies, the names of heavenly bodies, we try to apply article the. For example, sun. Sun is the prime source of energy and the sun is heavenly body. Therefore, which article is used here? The sun. Moon is also heavenly body. So before the moon, which article is used here? The. Earth, our planet. This one is very important and it is the residing place of human beings. So before the earth, since earth is also heavenly body, so before the earth which article is used? The. Sky, where the stars twinkle. Before the sky itself is heavenly body. So this before this sky which article is used? Article the. Meaning is there, if names of heavenly bodies are there, so before the names of heavenly bodies we generally use the. Go to the next. If the dates of a month is given and it is given in which order? Ordinal order. Ordinal and cardinal, two types of numbers are there. If dates are given in ordinal order, to those before those dates we try to apply article the. What is ordinal? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, etc. These are the numbers pronounced in which order? Ordinal order. They present their position. If this type of dates are mentioned there of a month, so we generally apply which article? The. For example, if it is the month of January and today is 2nd of January, so before 2nd of January we try to apply article the. So what will be there? The 2nd of January. If 4th of March is there, so before that which article is used? The 4th of March. 4th and 2nd, these are just placing their positions. So these are ordinal orders of a number. If these dates of a month are given in ordinal order, so before that date we try to apply article the. Next one is there. If ordinal numbers are there, I told you ordinal numbers. What are ordinal numbers? These are given in order or according to the place. So these numbers are known as ordinal numbers. Some numbers are cardinal numbers. Cardinal means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 100, 200, 400, 1000, 120. Like that, these are cardinal numbers. If ordinal numbers are there, their positions are given here. We decide the position of an object or grade of an object. So such type of numbers are known as ordinal numbers. And before the ordinal numbers, we try to apply article the. For example, first. So first means the first. Last means the last. If 10th position is there, so the 10th. If 11th R is there, so the 11th R. It means before ordinal number we try to apply article the, but you should be cautious. Sometimes these ordinal numbers are given just after the name, proper noun. For example, Edward first, this first is there, it indicates the position of this ruler. So Edward first, if it is noted down, so before that no any article is used, the article will not be used. If this first is noted down, Edward, before suppose the name of the person, so it will be there. In the same way, George third, George fifth, like that. If this type of number are there, so these are also ordinal, and before that we never apply because it is the name of a particular person. This is also the name of particular person. If by putting ordinal number it indicates to a particular name of person, means it indicates to a proper noun, so before that article will not be used. But if it is ordinal number expressing the position, like the first, the 10th, the 11th, like that, if this is given, before that the will be used. Since Edward and George III, these are the name of rulers, so before that we cannot apply article the. Go to rule number 10. We know adjective, degree of adjective we know. One is comparative degree, first one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, third one is superlative degree. So an adjective can be expressed in three forms: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. If superlative degrees are there of any adjective, so it is compulsory for you to apply article the. If article the is not used before the superlative degree, it means we are wrong in the sentence. Grammatically we are committing mistakes there. So it is compulsory for you, if we are applying superlative degree, so before that superlative degree we have to apply article the. So for example, a boy is there and superlative degree of adjective is given best. Good, better, best. Best is the superlative of good. So before that which article is used? The best boy. High, higher, highest. This one is superlative degree of high. So before superlative degree which one article is used? The highest mountain. If mountain is there and this one is expressing or describing the position of the mountain, it is adding the something about the mountain and it is noted down in superlative degree. So before that we use or apply article the. What meaning is there? Giving both examples, we can say that if superlative degree is there of a person or place or anything, so before that superlative degree it is compulsory for you to apply article the. The best boy, the highest mountain. These are some examples. Now see the rule number 11. If adjective is used as a noun, sometimes the adjectives are used as noun. If it is used as a noun, so before that adjective it is compulsory for you to use article the. For example, poor is there. Before poor, the is noted down. The poor. What meaning is there? The poor means poor men. It is indicating to the class of poor. Poor men. The rich. Rich means rich men. If this type of adjectives are there indicating to the whole class, then before that comparative degree, before the positive degree, we try to apply which article? The rich, the poor, the blessed. The poor means it is talking about poor men. The rich means it is talking about poor men. The blessed means blessed persons. The poor, the rich, the blessed, it is looking like singular number, but basically they are plural number, they indicates a group. So this all these are plural subject. The poor, the rich, the blessed, all these are which type of subject? It is plural subject. Meaning of the poor is poor men, the rich means rich men, the blessed means blessed persons. So all these are indicating to plural number, and we use all these adjective before the is used. So that means we are talking about adjectives used as a noun, and if adjectives are used as a noun, so we apply article the, and these are always in plural form. Now see rule number 12. If names of profession is given, profession means different professions are there. If names of professions are given, so before the names of profession we try to apply which article? The. Advocate, you know, lawyers are there and they are governed by a bar. So before the bar we apply article the. Bench, bench means the bench of judges. If bench is there, so before the bench we apply article the. Press, press is also the names of a profession. The press. Poet, poet is also a kind of profession, those who compose poems. So the before the poet, which article is used here? The. In the same way, author, those who write composition in prose. So such type of author are known as writers or authors, and before the author we try to note down article the. In the same way, writers are those who write something about a matter, about an issue, about an topic. So before the writer we try to apply article the writer, the bar, the bench, the press, the poet, the author, the writer. Meaning is there, if names of professions are given and it is compulsory for you, before the names of profession you have to apply article the. In this way you can revise it. If names of newspapers are there, so article the is used. If names of heavenly bodies are there also we can apply article the. If dates of a month are given in which order? Ordinal order, so we apply the. If ordinal numbers are noted down, so we can apply article the. But if these ordinal numbers are noted down just after proper noun, so no article is used here, because these indicate to a particular person or place. So no article is used here. If superlative degree is there, so before that you are bound to apply article the. If adjectives are used as a noun, so before that also you have to use article the. If the names of profession is given, it is compulsory for you to apply the article the to make it correct, or it is the proper use of article the. In this way, today we have discussed so many applications regarding the proper application of article the. I hope you will understand, you will study, and if such type of questions are there in competitive examinations, so I think you will be able to solve those questions and you can gain a kind of handsome marks, healthy marks in your competitive examination. I hope you will be in a position to appreciate or to understand all these. About some other topics related to articles are there, so that will be discussed in next lecture, that will be in next video. I hope you understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.